One of the hardest hit communities after the May 8th windstorm was Petronila. I'm Stephanie Molina, your neighborhood news reporter in West Nueces County, talking with storm victims about their plans without insurance or help from the feds.
I'm going to try to do what I can, but it's so unfortunate that we're not going to get that help.
Yahaira Castillo is a single mother of 2 children. She was inside their RV home when last week's windstorm literally flipped their life around. It makes her question if it's even worth living out in the rural area due to the Nueces County not being able to declare a disaster declaration and get federal help.
Had any of us, God forbid, passed away from this situation, what would have happened? How would that have been taken care of? How would I be able to move on?
Other Petronila neighbors dealing with the aftermath have leaned on the community or charities for help through this hard time.
These guys came with volunteer, and ever since then, stuff got a little faster, a little more weight lifted off our shoulders.
Neighbor Tatiana Garcia's home was also affected. She was inside with her husband when it happened. Garcia fears for the elderly who perhaps aren't as willing to start all over like many are having to.
Pues igual uno tiene que comenzar a buscar sus cosas y salir adelante por sí solo, porque si espera que las demás personas lo saquen adelante, pues no.
The Nueces County Emergency Management Coordinator Dee Hawkins tells Chris 6 News that there's 2 steps getting federal assistance like FEMA. One is meeting the 1.6 million threshold for the county. The second is meeting the state 55.3 million threshold.
When the public assistance is brought in, that's what allows the counties and the cities to recoup some of those costs, because even like us and like the people that are affected, we don't have that much money laying around to do that.
Hawkins says the county is trying to get volunteer agencies that have the ability to help the community get back on their feet.
So we're just trying to put as much out there that we can and that we can actually provide without that public assistance.
About 199 homes were documented from the Texas Department of Emergency ISTAT damage surveys. Forms collected are from homes in Petronila, Driscoll, and Bishop. Hawkins encourages the community to keep filling out those forms. The Nueces County Emergency Coordinator told me a resource fair is scheduled for Tuesday, May 20th at the Petronila Elementary School. The fair begins at 2 p.m. In West Nueces County, I'm your neighborhood news reporter, Stephanie Molina, Chris 6 News.